Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties, and this is my new listing in South Shores. Welcome to 2175 Grandeur Avenue in South Shores San Pedro. Got a 2-car garage in the front along with some pavers and a nice eco landscaping on our way in. As you come to the left here, opening the door, we've got a PV stone fireplace in a massive room with the vaulted ceiling. This is really cool. Today it is foggy, but normally you would see Catalina Island out through this. This goes out towards Point Furman, and Catalina would be sitting right out there when there's not fog. You can see the street going down to the 25th is Mermaid, and up this way would be Trump National Golf Course and the border to Palos Verdes. So looking in, this is a huge room, and you can do dining over there by the fireplace or in this section. There's a open canvas to do a lot of work here as you choose. Here's our kitchen. And once again, a kitchen with an ocean view is pretty awesome. It does have gas, an oven. And then we have one room upstairs. So this closes off. It could be the master suite. A beautiful big window here to enjoy the view. Isn't that nice? Looking back in the room. Closet, extra storage here. And a 3/4. So we go downstairs. So 1 bedroom up, 2 down. And there's room for another bedroom. So this right now is used as a den, but it could be another bedroom quite easily. Put a closet in and fix some of this stuff up with great view. It's beautiful. The lot is massive, 18,000 square foot lot. We have our second fireplace down here. We have laundry behind these doors here. Moving through to the other 2 bedrooms. Nice room, a lot of light. Beautiful light too.